It's time to stop all the craziness and the insanity out there in the world. You can make money or be the life of the party with gift giving without having an expensive woodworking shop. If you have just an inexpensive laser and the ability to shop some of the discount stores, you can find cutting boards very inexpensive, make personalized gifts, and sell them at a nice profit. And you don't need any woodworking skills at all. Making personalized gifts is a very rewarding experience to be able to use your laser, put it to work, and be able to make these type of personalized gifts. In addition to gift giving, you can turn around and make a nice profit selling these types of little cutting boards. In today's market, there's also a very wide range of different types of lasers that you could purchase to be able to set up your gift giving or your profit making center. And it doesn't have to be an arm and a leg expense to be able to get this type of a laser set up. The two cutting boards that you see here actually was purchased at a discount store, and you can take a look at the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, so many different ones around the country. It's just too many to be able to mention, but you can find the local discount stores in your area to be able to shop for these type of cutting boards, and they are absolutely beautiful. These cutting boards were less than $20 a piece, and they make a fantastic personalized gift. Now, these were gifts for an engagement party for my kids and grandkids, and it was fantastic being able to give these to them. But just think about this. If you wanted to be able to purchase these cutting boards, turn around and personalize them, and then resell them, it's easy to do. And the best thing about it is, you don't need a shop full of woodworking tools because these cutting boards are already made for you. All you need to do is shop and find an inexpensive laser and be able to set it up in your home to be able to make these type of personalized gifts. Now, for myself personally, I like being able to do these type of projects and give them away as gifts. But for many people out there who would like to be able to make money with their lasers, then this is a perfect opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. I want to talk a little bit about the process. When you purchase these cutting boards, they're completely finished. You don't need to do anything else to it. Should you want to add any type of a finish to the cutting boards, please make sure that you purchase a good quality, food safe oil to be able to put on your cutting boards. Now, the next subject would be the software they use to run your laser. Many of the companies offer the software with the purchase of the laser itself. Now, I choose to personally use the Lightburn software, and that's a small investment of $60 to be able to purchase the software, and it's yours. If you choose to use the software that the company provide where you purchase your laser, then you can save that expense. One of the tips that I want to be able to suggest to you is when you engrave these personalized cutting boards, put down some masking tape or this blue tape that you see here. It's just simply a blue painter's tape. That helps to protect the finish of the cutting board itself. And once you get it cut, then you can just peel this tape off, and in many cases you can use the tape as you see here, where I can pull out those little small pieces that are inside the letters. And if you have a few remaining, then you can just take a little knife or a little pick and peel those pieces off. It takes less than a minute to be able to do, and the results are absolutely fantastic. This turned out to be a beautiful cutting board, personalized, ready to be able to give away to the grandkids. And another thing is you can use your creativity. You don't have to necessarily put down in this bottom right hand corner your image. You can choose to put any type of image anywhere on the cutting board that you wish. To be able to engrave the personalized names such as this on the cutting board, it usually takes less than just a couple of minutes. Once you're finished, peel off the tape, and all of the smoke residue is left on the tape. There's really no cleanup other than removing that little bit of masking tape. And should you have some little pieces in the inside of the letters, not a big deal. That comes off very easily. Oftentimes, as I said a moment ago, you can just use a portion of the tape and be able to remove those little pieces. Some of them, though, are going to be a little bit more stubborn, and all you need is just a little small knife or a little pick to be able to lift those pieces off. It's certainly safe to say no special tools are required to be able to do this. The results are fantastic, and what I like even more is being able to give these gifts and let others see the type of work that you can do and the quality, and be able to share your talents. And this is a quick look at the engagement party that we had to be able to celebrate the engagement of my son and my grandson. And you can see the cutting boards clearly displayed there, and they are absolutely fantastic. I love how they turned out. I also want to give a shout out to my daughter-in-law who decorated these cutting boards. She did an absolutely fantastic job. I love how these turned out. So if you've ever considered wanting to make money with your laser, or just want to be able to share your talents and give these away as a gift, this, I believe, is a perfect way to be able to do it. So I hope that you'll consider this idea and maybe incorporate this into your shop and start giving away some cutting boards or make some money with them. Hey everyone, thanks a lot for watching this very short video today, but I wanted to get this information out to you because I've had so many different conflicting ideas out there about you have to have all kinds of expensive tools to be successful with the woodworking, and actually, no, you don't. I make a lot of very inexpensive gifts that turn out absolutely beautiful, and I do it at a minimal amount of money. And oftentimes, it's just with the laser. So I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.